Best dining chairs as style and comfort today. Materials like wood, metal, and upholstery play important roles in design and durability. Consider chair height, width, and depth for perfect fit and comfort. Budget-friendly options can be stylish and functional too. Explore different designs to find what suits your taste and needs. List number 1. His set of 4 dining kitchen mid-century modern chairs. Transform your space with the His set of 4 dining chairs. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, and outdoor lounges. These chairs feature sleek, mid-century modern design with sturdy wood legs. They leather cushions offer comfort and easy seating. Their elegant white color complements any decor style effortlessly. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor settings, enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. Advantages: stylish design enhances any room's decor effortlessly. Durable wood legs ensure long-lasting stability and support. List number 2. Wooden dining chairs set of 4. Elevate your dining area with the Colami wooden dining chairs. Crafted and light brown, these chairs blend style and comfort. Spindly high backs offer support while adding a touch of farmhouse charm. Perfect for kitchens and dining rooms, these chairs create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Enjoy quality time with family and friends around the table. A stylish addition to any home. Advantages: elegant design enhances any dining space. The light brown finish adds warmth and charm. Perfect for a farmhouse feel. List number 3. Fabric dining chair with arms. Experience comfort and style with the Wututui fabric dining chair. A high back design supports your posture perfectly. Solid wood legs ensure stability and durability. Nile hat trim adds a touch of elegance. Beige upholstery complements any decor beautiful. Ideal for dining, kitchen, or living room spaces. Advantages: soft beige fabric adds elegance to any dining room setting. High back support ensures comfort during long meals or gatherings. Solid wood legs offer stability and durability for everyday use. List number 4. Patio modern dining chairs set of 4. Elevate your dining experience with Nalupatio modern dining chairs. Crafted with thick cushions for ultimate comfort. Upholstered and quality fabric, these chairs promise durability and style. Sturdy metal legs ensure stability and a sleek look. Perfect for kitchens and dining rooms. Black finish complements any decor effortlessly. Advantages: enhance your dining experience with Nalupatio chairs. Thick cushions ensure maximum comfort during meals. Upholstered fabric adds a touch of elegance to your space. Metal legs provide sturdy support and lasting durability. List number 5. Dan Oliver Dual Pack Black Rattan Indoor Outdoor. Discover comfort and style with the Emma Dan Oliver Dual Pack Black Rattan Stick Chair. Perfect for indoor and outdoor spaces. The Fit back design offers great support. Easy to stitch, saving space when not in use. Durable rattan material stands up to weather. Ideal for restaurants, patios, and home dining. Advantages: stylish design enhances any indoor or outdoor setting beautiful. Durable rattan material withstands various weather conditions effectively.